Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best superoxide dismutase is probably one of the most important enzymes your body uses to fight off free radicals. These unstable molecules can cause oxidative stress, which damages cells and contributes to aging and various health problems. In this video, we'll dive into what superoxide dismutase is, how it works, and why it's so crucial for your health. We'll also explore the benefits of supplementing with S.O.D and what to look for when choosing a product. Number 5. AgeImmune S.O.D Antioxidants Complex. This antioxidant supplement helps slow down the signs of aging. It contains 400 mg of superoxide dismutase, S.O.D, which can help with inflammation response and resist free radical damage. The immune support supplement includes ALA, L-lysine, L-ornithine, AKG, green tea extract, and vitamins. This blend helps shield cells from oxidative damage, supporting your overall health. Formulated by Dr. Alex Konevsky, B.C., CFMP, this product is manufactured in an FDA-registered and GMP-regulated lab. It is made with the highest quality control standards. The supplement is vegan and free of many common allergens and additives. It is designed with dietary sensitivities in mind, ensuring a pure and effective formula. We are proud of this immune support formula and want you to benefit from choosing AgeImmune. If you have any questions, our friendly staff is happy to help. What we like. This product boasts an advanced antioxidant blend, including ALA and vitamins. If you are looking for comprehensive immune support and a supplement made with premium, vegan-friendly ingredients, you should consider this one. What people say. I like its effectiveness and value and would buy again. I didn't know this helps with eyesight till now. I can definitely see better, and the reason I bought this was for pain and inflammation that has also gone down considerably. I saw incredible results within hours. This time I will take it before and immediately after. Number 4. Source Naturals S.O.D Power as GliSODin 250 mg. This supplement from Source Naturals features GliSODin, a special form of superoxide dismutase, or S.O.D. It's an important enzyme that helps protect your body from free radicals. This product has been trusted for over 35 years. GliSODin is an innovative form of superoxide dismutase. S.O.D is a key enzyme in the body. It helps protect cells and tissues from damage caused by free radicals. This product contains wheat. If you have a wheat allergy, gluten intolerance, or celiac disease, you should not take it. Always read the label carefully before use. Take 1 tablet up to 4 times daily, as directed. This supplement is designed to support your overall health. Always follow the recommended dosage. Source Naturals was founded in 1982. The company is dedicated to supporting your potential for optimal health. The product is manufactured in the USA. Source Naturals products are manufactured in Scotts Valley, California. They are committed to providing high-quality supplements. You can trust this product for your health needs. What we like. This product features GliSODin, an innovative form of S.O.D. If you are looking for a well-established brand with a focus on protecting your cells from free radical damage, you should consider this one. What people say. Superoxide dismutase is a powerful antioxidant enzyme. It helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. S.O.D is known for its role in reducing oxidative stress. Number 3. Nature Restore S.O.D 4000 IU Supplement. This is Nature Restore's S.O.D supplement. It provides a high concentration of superoxide dismutase-like activity. It is designed to support your overall well-being. Each capsule contains 4,000 units of superoxide dismutase-like activity. This is the highest concentration available from a natural source. It's a powerful way to support your health. The supplement supports healthy antioxidative activity. This helps your body fight against oxidative stress. It's a key component for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It is made from a vegan source and is non-GMO and gluten-free. The capsules are made from a natural fruit source. It's a product you can trust. The product undergoes independent testing for heavy metal contamination. This ensures the highest quality and safety. You can be confident in what you're taking. Each bottle contains 90 capsules, providing a 1-month supply. With 400 mg of active ingredients per capsule, it's a convenient way to support your health goals. What we like. This supplement offers the highest concentration of S.O.D-like activity. If you like a vegan-friendly option with third-party testing for quality assurance, you should consider this one. What people say. I used another highly popular brand on Amazon before that was great, but after taking this for a couple weeks now I can tell the difference between the quality of the two brands with this supplement. For those people who cannot have meat due to dietary restrictions, it has been a true blessing. I like that the product is derived from a plant source. Number 2. Carlyle S.O.D 3000 Antioxidant Supplement. This supplement is designed to support your body's ability to neutralize superoxide radicals. It's a great way to help protect yourself from harmful elements. Each tablet supplies 3,000 McCord-Friedrich units, along with naturally occurring glutathione peroxidase and catalase. This combination offers powerful antioxidant benefits. The enteric coating helps the S.O.D complex survive the stomach's acidic environment. This ensures maximum absorption and effectiveness. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just take one tablet with each meal for optimal results. This product is manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility. It undergoes rigorous lab verification to ensure potency and purity, so you can trust its quality. What we like. This product features enteric-coated tablets for maximum assimilation. If you are looking for a supplement with a beef liver source and a high serving count, you should consider this one. What people say. It has already delivered so much more. After the first dose, within 30 minutes to an hour I felt an immediate improvement in pain and inflammation in my joints. Since taking this, my joint pain has reduced by about 80% and my recovery time after walking has reduced to 12 to 24 hours. What I do like about this brand of S.O.D is that it is coated for extra absorption in the intestines. Number 1. Carlyle S.O.D Supplement Capsules 300 mg 120 count. This supplement provides 300 mg of superoxide dismutase in each capsule. It's a convenient way to support your wellness journey. S.O.D is a naturally occurring enzyme found in the human body. It's also present in cruciferous vegetables. Each quick-release capsule delivers 300 mg of S.O.D, equivalent to 2,400 activity units. This makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Carlyle is committed to providing premium, honest supplements. They support your pursuit of a healthy lifestyle. These capsules are laboratory tested and made with trusted ingredients. Carlyle guarantees superior quality. This product is naturally free of gluten, wheat, yeast, lactose, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives. It's also non-GMO. What we like. This product provides S.O.D in quick-release capsules. If you like a supplement that is non-GMO, gluten-free, and from a trusted manufacturer, you should consider this one. What people say. This and one other is my go-to brand for this product. A bottle lasts a while, it's budget-friendly and does what you need it to do. I will continue to buy it. After taking this supplement, I don't seem to get a sunburn anymore. It works. Haven't been burned once the whole summer. Been taking them since May. Not gonna stop. I spent many months looking for a quality S.O.D supplement that was a high enough dosage at an affordable price that did not sacrifice quality. This one was the only one that met all my criteria. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.